This is Gary Ringler with Ringler Heating and Cooling in Elizabethtown, Kentucky. I found your process very, very clean and easy to work with. Mike has been great getting all the paperwork done. That's Mike Marson. He's been really great getting everything through, and the process worked as advertised. So we appreciate your help, and we'll come back to you guys once again. This, I think, is our third pass through y'all. So that's great. Thank you much.